Good morning, everyone. Slept like a rock last night. And Miss Linda's over here on the other side. She made our coffee and she's been sneezing, and it's really dry. People are out riding bicycles already this morning. It's like 7 o'clock, 7:30, I don't know. I was up at 5:30, 6 o'clock. And there's a playground right here. And there's an automatic light that comes on when people walk by the playground or whatever. When I got out earlier, the light was on, and I happened to look, and I think it was a couple of coyotes that stopped and looked at me. But that was kind of neat. But we're backed up right against the woods here. I should say tree line. So we had a good shady spot. Yeah, we're not very level here. And I didn't level the camper last night. I thought since this was a concrete pad, it was pretty level. Well, it's not, because it's kind of sloped. So the stuff kept sliding down. Of course, camping with Miss Linda last night is kind of like camping with a 10-year-old kid.
Oh, and what about this morning, you?
I don't know if you heard her or not. We're gonna have our morning coffee. It's been a long time since I've camped at a state park. Everybody was really quiet. I mean, it was really nice. These sites are reserved, but she said if you look at the date on the reservation and it's not for tonight, you can use the self-kiosk and pay for one night. But I had to pay for the utilities, electric and water, which is fine. I think it was like $23 for the night, plus $5 for the vehicle fee. And for those of you that don't know, we're at Elk City State Park, just on the west side of Independence, Kansas. But I've got some breakfast to eat. We stopped at the Walmarts last night because I had to get some Tums and a couple other things, but I got these things here, and I'll have a couple of those bars. I like those. Those are pretty darn good. They probably got a lot of carbs in them, but only 16 grams of carbs per bar.
Yeah, but look at your fiber too. You can take that off.
Miss Linda says what?
For net carbs.
Net carb. Look at the fiber.
Yes.
Says 1 gram.
Okay, so then it's actually one less gram of carb.
Oh. 8 grams of sugars. I'm already sweet enough. I don't need any more sugar in me. Anyway, I'm gonna run down to the shower house here in a little bit, take a shower,
Oh no.
brush my teeth. What's wrong, babe?
Nothing.
You want to take a shower?
No, I lost my contact. I
Oh.
only brought enough for.
She lost one of her contacts.
Well, I'm gonna have to go get glasses. I just lost it.
She's gonna have to get glasses. Well, look around for it.
Honey, are you kidding?
So yeah,
Where is it? Should I put it back in the savings?
we're planning on being over there, Big Brutus. I don't know when we get there. If we're only like an hour or so away from Big Brutus, but
I don't know that.
it was really, it was really quiet last night, and I was tired. But we did make a stop on the way down. Wow, here comes the birds.
Told you. If the bugs are doing some weird stuff, it's gonna snow.
It's not gonna snow.
I don't
It's
mean
just
now.
getting cooler.
Could be a couple of weeks.
We made a stop on the way down, and it was really neat. So I don't know when I'll have those videos come out, but we have another stop to make, couple of stops to make on the way to Big Brutus. One of them is a gal that I met basically through Facebook. Her mother knew my dad, I guess you could say, like back in high school or whatever. I don't know, but probably through the farm community. I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but talked to her last night. They have a farm over here, and I think they have a couple of horses and whatnot. We're gonna stop in there and say hi. Never met her before, so. But yeah, they even offered for us to come by there and set up camp if we wanted to, but did they have full RV hookups and whatnot? Well, all we need is electricity. And we did not run the heater last night because Miss Linda is like laying next to a heater. So, yeah. Anyway, hope y'all are going to have a good day. And it's just a short one this morning. Everybody be safe. You guys want to see what Miss Linda looks like this morning? No, I won't do that to her.
Yes, you would.
Yes, I would. That's what she says. So, all right, y'all. Have a good day. Say hi to a stranger, think better, and we'll see you later, okay? Thanks for watching. Say bye.